Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ronisha, and I'm back with this look right here. This is probably going to be one of my first Valentine's Day looks, and it is inspired by this picture right here. This is Daimier, I think that's how you say her name or her handle. But I'm going to start with my Max Off Ochre paint pot, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with this. I could have just left it the way it was and just put the eyeshadows where you see in the crease area or the brow bone area on that concealer, but I went ahead and primed my eyelids anyway. And I'm taking some of my Sephora Micro Smooth face powder and putting that on the brow bone area so that I can kind of like bring some color back into that because it's really white. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with this Zulu palette. I'm going to take that pink and then I'm going to take that purple afterwards. And I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just packing this color on to my brow bone area as my first transition shade. Then I'm going to take this ColourPop single shadow and I'm going to just put that on top to brighten up that pink to make it a little more vibrant and pop a little more. Then I'm going to take that purple out of the Zulu palette and I'm just going to pop that underneath that pink and in the crease a little bit. And then I'm going to go into an Inglot shadow. It's one of their single shadows that I bought and I just placed in my little Z palette. And I'm just going to pop this into my crease with the Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just going to just pow this on so that my crease is very deep. I want it to be a very deep purple. Then I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics Prolong Wear Concealer in NC15, and I'm going to use it on a Morphe flat concealer brush to cut my crease out. And I'm doing the elongated crease. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, her crease was elongated, so I'm going to try to snatch this crease out and make it very Egyptian-y, whatever. I'm going to cut this crease. Going into the Juvia's Place Masquerade mini palette, I'm going to take that shimmer shade and I am going to pop that into the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to take that shimmer shade out of that Zulu palette and I'm going to place that right next to it and somewhat on top of it. Going back into the Masquerade palette, I'm going to take that pink out of there and I'm going to place this next to that shimmery, like champagne-y pink rose gold shade. And eventually, all these shades are just going to be blended together and on top of each other and all of that. Then I'm going to take this peanut butter and jelly palette from Too Faced. I'm going to take that purple and I'm going to place that next to that pink. I'm just laying all these shadows down because I actually went over some shades with other shades out of other palettes and added more than I did of any other ones. And the same with this purple out of the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going to take that and I'm going to place that on top of that purple shade from the Too Faced palette, and then I'm going to place a little bit on the outer parts of that corner. Then going into that darker purple out of the Masquerade palette, I'm going to place that on the tail end of my eye. And as you can see, I'm kind of leaving a negative space in between those shadows, and I'm just leaving that space so when I go in with that lavender liner, that's that liner. As you can see right here, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights liner. It's the lavender one. And then I'm going to use their glitter, it's a silver glitter liner, and I'm going to pop that glitter liner over top that. I think in her picture she had some type of white eyeliner, and like I said, this is an inspired look, so everything is not going to be exactly as what she did or how she did it. This is my own little twist, and yeah, I'm just making it my own and trying to get it as close looking to hers as possible, but I'm making it my own. Then I'm going to take my NYX liquid liner in black, and I'm just going to create a very thin line across my lash line just to help conceal my lash band. Now I'm going to take some of that Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to coat my eyelashes. And I'm going to take some of that NYX Mix and Medium, and I'm going to place that into the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Pink Heart, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corners to give this eye some glow. Then, as you can see, my face is all done. I did it off camera because I've done my face many a times on camera for you guys, so everything is the same. And I'm using that same Pink Heart highlighter to highlight my face, just making this a little fun. It actually looked so nice. For lips, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Current Lip Liner, and then I'm going to use the ColourPop Ellery Collaboration Yoshi lipstick, and I'm just going to create myself a nice bright ombre lip. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this look because I was gagging when I saw it. I thought it was so pretty and so fit for Valentine's Day, so I had to try to recreate it. If you guys like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.